Hey everyone, this is Loreli from WTI. And if you're considering a new laptop, then let me tell you about the 2018 13-inch MacBook Pro. This is actually my husband's laptop and he has been using it for a while now. And let me tell you, he absolutely loves this thing. One of the reasons why is that, as you can see, it is small and super practical. He loves how easy it is to just carry around. Also, it's incredibly reliable. He has to use this for work and it always performs well without any hiccups. And of course, one great feature of this laptop is that it is a MacBook. You get that seamless integration with other Apple devices, which is a huge plus. The overall user experience is just smooth and hassle free. The battery life is very impressive. He can use it all day without needing to recharge constantly, which is super convenient. So if you're looking for a dependable portable laptop, then the 2018 MacBook Pro is definitely worth considering. My husband loves it and I know you will too. And that is my point of view.